Hello everyone. Now let's explore margin and padding. For this, let's do a little bit cleanup. Now let's come into the browser and right click and inspect, or you can also press F12. And I'm gonna select this div. When we set single value to the margin, in our case we set 9 pixel of margin, it will create 9 pixel of space on the top, on the right, on the bottom and on the left. Right now I said margin 9 pixel will create 9 pixel of space around the div like this. This div will have a 9 pixel of space around it. And this div also have a 9 pixel of space around it. So don't you think the space between these two div must be 18 pixel? But if I see here, the space between these two div is only 9 pixel, and it is due to margin collapse. Now to understand the margin collapse, let's set different margin for top and bottom. So for that, I'm gonna come here and write margin top to be 10 pixel, margin bottom to be 20 pixel, margin left to be 5 pixel, margin right to be 5 pixel. And I'm gonna comment it out because it is overwritten by this 4 line. Here, even though we set top margin to be 10 pixel and the bottom margin to be 20 pixel, among these two values only one value is used, and that value is the greatest value. So only the 20 pixel of margin is set and the 10 pixel of margin is getting ignored, and this is because of margin collapse. But remember, margin collapse is only applied on top and bottom, but not in sidewise. The shorthand of this 4 line of code is, first we specify top value which is 10 pixel, then right value which is 5 pixel, then bottom value which is 20 pixel, and the left value which is 5 pixel. Now if we comment it out, nothing changed. So you can either write like this or you can write like this, whatever you found easy. Now let's talk about padding. Here you can see I have set 8 pixel of padding so that the 8 pixel of space is created inside the div. The difference between padding and margin is that margin creates space outside the element like this, but the padding creates space inside the element like this. And after the space of padding, the content start. In our case, name, roll number, those are the content.